Hi guys, and I'm here again. Another challenge here. Okay, if you like and subscribe in 5 seconds, you get good luck for the rest of your life. If you don't, you get bad luck. So today I'm gonna open some special packs. Just all these packs here. I might open some of my packs. I might do some SBCs. So I'll show you some of my players, and let's hop right into it. Right, I'm going to start with my packs. First Elite Plus pack, Gold, Dybala. Right, this for the first pack. Second one, Toby Alderweireld. I can't say it. Sorry there. Gold, now walk out the pay. There's a new card up there. Shiny and no new card. Team of the week, Gold. I will get a team of the week in it, just like inside the actual thing. Like, see, when you get a gold in a team of the week pack, you always get a team of the week inside the pack. So right now I've got it in for that. No new cards. No new card again. How I know that is, see when you open a pack, it's a hero. So I'll have it in, look, see when I press skip, up there it will change the number. So I think get team of the week in that, it's awkward, it's strange. Will it change if it says a new? No. Look, I'll show you in this. Open packs, gold, that's actually okay. I'm at 2 to 5. Look, it went up. I got him.
Disgusting.
And the pack will probably go up. Yeah, I got a couple new ones there. Oh, Dennis Suarez, he's moved here, I think. I think it's Arsenal player, I think. There's another new card. Lafont. I got a couple there. Like Martins and Diddy. That's my last one. Who's that? Vidreza. And just one new card there. Go back onto my own cards, backs. I don't think I'll get any new in these, but at least I get duplicates for the pack, the SBCs later on in the video. 362, still not going up. All-Star. I'm just imagining you're going to All-Star nominating this. If you have, comment down below. All-Star Gold Pack, same as the Elite Plus. All-Star nominee. I just want an All-Star nominee again. I've got quite a lot, but I can't remember. Oh yeah, I remember. But I just don't think I've had one in ages. Tier 90k Lily, I think I've not got. So I used one of him the earlier on, so there's no point in me opening any of them. Because I can get them all on here, I think. Right, I'm going to open the Premium Gold pack, and nothing good. Probably get a new card though. Yeah, I got a couple. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, so the rest I can get in here. 81 plus packs. They're not good. Right, these are all above 81. I just really want to get like a walkout in one of these, just a walkout. Right. Can I get it be the first walkout in the day? No. But Ryan Jack. Nah, they never wants to watch cards and never walkouts. Inform. Yeah. Once I get a walkout, I'll go into SBCs and hopefully I can try do them. Charlton. Inform. He's got a 96 team of the season card. I think I've got a duplicate of him. Oh, that's been good. I could have another 98 Ronaldo duplicate. I've already got. Oh, so is that an inform? Inform walkout? No, they're not good. So I'll just go for another one. Spanish Visa. Oh, it's an Iniesta. Is it 890 or 88? An Iniesta. Iniesta, why did you move from Barca? Because you're too old. Just want to go to that club. You're just Sam Parent to that club as well if you don't know that. The Barca right back. Right, if I get a gold card, just gold flare. I'll start my SBCs because this is going on for too long. Oh, fuck miss. I'm going to try to do some of the leagues. No. Right, so I'm even not getting a walkout, guys. There's one walkout of this whole video. And I'm not getting any more, it looks. Gold. Who was it? Oh, 88 Coutinho. And it's now. Oh, I don't mean that. That. Hybrid. What do you get for hybrid? I'm gonna go on special. Flashback Mahrez. Oh, Leicester Citizens. Only done 86. I've done the hardest too. Oh my gosh, Leicester. Wait a second, this did not look right to me. I've got Bamiyang up there. Leicester. Premier League. Leicester City. Yeah, but it's just Leicester. Yeah. So I've got no strikers. I mean, I've already did that one. No left wing. No right wing. No left back. And no centre back. Brilliant. The Citizens. Manchester City. You. You for the rating. I'm just going to start bad up. Sani. Oh, shoot. Oh, I think I've only. What the fuck? Two, 3, 4, 5. I'll need one more. Ah! Seconds on this. Boom, 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 boom. 184. I just need one more. One more minute. Oh. Oh, them two are so hard. I was at medium. France, living in France. Why have I not done this? So much. What is it? No, I've got a UCL here somewhere. Look. There. Sort out the books. Yes, it. Why am I going so slow? Somebody tell me. Wait. Right, that was hard, and bye.